From red carpets to yoga mats, Hollywood's biggest stars have embraced yoga as their fitness mantra. Let's explore the yoga journeys of Jennifer Aniston and Matthew McConaughey, two stars who inspire millions. Jennifer Aniston, America's sweetheart, swears by yoga to maintain her iconic physique. She's often spoken about how her yoga sessions, led by celebrity trainer Mandy Ingber, not only keep her fit but also calm her mind. Her routine includes vinyasa flow and balancing poses. In her words, yoga is the key to staying centered amidst the chaos. And then we have the ever-charismatic Matthew McConaughey. A true yogi at heart, Matthew is often spotted practicing yoga on the beach. He describes yoga as his me time, helping him stay grounded and creative. His favorite? The sun salutations, which he believes energize his entire day. These stars prove that yoga isn't just about fitness, it's a lifestyle. Ready to follow in their footsteps? Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let yoga transform your life.